What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek. Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm here in my Bluehost account. Okay. I am going to show you how to very quickly, very easily make some of these landing pages, bridge page, lead capture page, whatever you kids are calling them these days. Okay. This is actually a lead capture page. Okay, this is actually a bridge page because it only has a button. This will go to my affiliate link there. Okay, see my handle, the old DOS Geek. Okay, that's my campaign. Alright, my ID. This is for the Fatcat apps. Okay, I got the link in the description. Now you sign up with anything through my links in my descriptions or in my emails that I send you guys. You get tech support for life. At least as long as I'm alive, you'll get tech support. Okay, so this old DOS Geek, we made oodles of sites. Okay, I'm going to log into this. This is a subdomain. Now, what you're going to want to do is, when you make your blog, you got to really have a blog or a website of some sort. Okay, if you're going to do any kind of affiliate marketing, everybody knows this. Unless you're a big, influencer on Facebook, then, most likely people will come to you and offer you money to advertise their stuff. Okay. But I like Bluehost. Okay. They've always been good to me. I also like the Fatcat landing page. Okay. That's a plugin. Now, when I make my WordPress sites, WordPress and I, we're like an old married couple. We didn't used to get along so well, but we're starting to get along pretty well now. Okay. Now, I've made all these landing pages, bridge page, lead capture page, again, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Now, this one here I put on there for a long time because it kept counting down. Like this one, I got 10 minutes left. But you can control this readily on this. Okay. So let's see, this one is on leads. I'll show you how quickly I can change that. Okay. Now, this landing page plugin is one of the best I've ever seen. Okay, what I'm going to do is, right in this video, I'm going to create another page like this. Now, there's certain things that you don't get with the free version, like the pixelating and stuff like that, fancier stuff. Okay, particle effect. You'll see a quick demo on the particle effects. Alright, in the background you can see, ooh, particle effects. Okay, it's going to go to another one. This one is gorgeous. I really like this one. Okay, and it really sets the theme mood for a lot of these, landing pages and bridge pages. Okay, quite elegant, quite beautiful. Okay, you might have a use for it, you might not, but it is what it is. Okay, and then there's certain things like with the lead captures and stuff like that you might not get. I forget exactly what you get in the free one. Okay, okay, so I'm going to change that subscribe button to get it now. And if you've seen some of my videos, you learn about these marketing strategies, these mental marketing strategies where you do a call to action and you basically walk people, like what I call duck walking through it. Okay, so basically this is my button. I'll show you real quick. This is my button. Which one am I on here? Lead capture. Alright, so let's save this and let's go to the leads ones. Okay, now you see that subscribe, I just changed it to get it now. Okay, you see how that works? So simple, so easy. Now let me update the clock a little bit on that one. Let's do this. Let's put that right next to where I'm working so I don't get confused. As you know, the old DOS Geek is smart as he is and as experienced as he is, he gets a little confused sometimes. Hey, I'm old. Okay. Alright, so now here's the clock. Countdown. Whoops, see this? Countdown. It's on. Okay, you can very easily shut it off. So let's chuck it over to 2024 and give the old man some time to do his videos. We're going to save it. Always remember to save your work. Always remember to refresh when after you've saved your work. Whoa, got me a 397-day head start on this, okay? So that's pretty good. And again, these things are elegant. They're very efficient. They're very easy to make, okay? Now, with this particular paid one, and it's been harvesting all these emails that I've been practicing with, okay? Of course, this is all my emails, and you could put them in there again and again. You can, if you got your, like say if I have Aweber, and you know, I just wanted to add to my Aweber list, and I wanted to, you know, just use this like a separate thing, but I wanted to add these folks to my Aweber list. You can download this as a CSV file, okay, which our good friends at Microsoft invented 100 years ago, okay. You can also your own code, different messages all over the place, okay. So let's go here, let's go back. Tell you what, let's make one new. Still got a little time on this video, so we're going to call this title, we're going to call this I'm going to call it a quick page, okay? Now, if you want to replace your home page with this page that you're making, you can go back and forth, okay? I don't usually recommend doing that because if people are going to come to your website and see a different home page every time, unless it's an upgraded version of the same thing, that's fine. But if they're going to come and see different offers, you're definitely going to get spammed out of business, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this. Now this is great to replace your 404 pages, which I highly recommend. And you could easily do that when you've got a bunch of pages on your site and you've had a bunch of pages that you deleted, or a bunch of pages for whatever reason you migrated somewhere else and you're not there anymore. There's always one way or another that, you know, somebody will get a wrong address going to your website. And don't waste this property. It's called property. It's like real estate. Okay, don't waste it. It's free advertisement. So if somebody gets there by mistake, put some text on there saying you came to the wrong page. Here's an offer. You want to go over here and buy this. Or here, look for what you're looking for here. And then you can upsell. Now, the welcome gate is basically, it's going to force this page as your home page. And you're gonna you know, like say if it's a spam notice, or if, you know, like if you've gone to anything where it's adults only or members only, this is going to pop up first. Then you're going to give them different things to do there, but we don't particularly want that. Okay, what I want here, or you can just disable it and just use it for practice or whatever you want to do. I want it to go to a specific URL, so we're going to call it, okay, quick page. I'm going to copy that, Control C, and I'm going to put it there. And I'm going to make it one word because you want to make things simple. Okay, so we're going to save that. Okay, so now, without making this video 100 years longer, okay, let's see what we got on some of these. Okay, get higher conversion. So we left that there. Okay, and let's do this first. We're going to heading, description, that's half of it there. Okay, now let's decide, let's say, I like this background. You don't have to do background, but I like that background now. What the opacity is the color, of course, everybody knows. Okay, so if you want to make it a little darker so they can see your text, and you know, you want to make sure that your text is white. Okay, see all the F's, that's white. Okay, let's put that back. I love this because you got total control over it, and if you're anal retentive like the old DOS Geek. Okay, so now the name field, we just put that on and the name field is there. Okay, And let's do the old, whoops, your best email. Whoops. And how does that come up? Let's see, below, okay. All right, so it's going to be an infield placeholder copy. And then we're going to go over here. Because remember, you're going to want a duck walk. Okay, and then you could put your name. You can put your handle. Okay, make it groovy, make it sexy for people. Okay, and we don't want them to scribe. Okay, we're going to put get it now, or if it's a book or something, get your free book now. Okay, I'm just going to do this again because I try to keep my videos under 100,000 words and minutes. Okay, so I've already got this after button text laid out for me here, and you're going to always want to utilize everything that you got. So what I like to do is to put my affiliate links pretty much everywhere I can on a picture. Okay, matter of fact, let me see if I got a picture that I can put in there to show you guys. Now in here we're going to want to erase that, and we're going to remember every time you're copying and pasting code, always erase and delete the original code. Okay, so we're going to save that, right? So now this is our new page. So this is going to be quick page, right? So let's just open to a new tab here. Okay, we're going to open to a new tab here. I already got it in there, WordPress. Alright, and we're going to go quick page. Alright, how quick is that, gang? How quick is that? Alright, you cannot do this with any other plugin out there. I don't care who you are, what skills you got, okay? The Fatcat landing page plugin is the shizzle, and at a very moderate price, okay? At a very, very moderate price. Alright? Get it now, baby. Now, for business, for $49, you get 1 year support. You get up to 5 websites you could do this on. Okay, your 4.0 page, 404, Google Analytics, yeah. Okay, your particle effects, okay. Alright, for the 101, if you're really a beefed up marketer, or even if you just do websites, you know, to blog out and stuff, this is a fantastic, fantastic thing. Okay, you don't have to use it as your home page. You can strictly use it as landing pages, okay. Use it for your marketing. Use it for your affiliate leads. Use it for your bridge paging on your affiliate marketing. Use it for your business. Use it if you're a web designer and you got clients that just want to have an opt-in page or just want to have a blog page that sells, okay? You got redirects on this. It has all the bells and whistles that you can do, and as you can see in this format, it is like working a WordPress site. Okay, it's just, to me, it's better than a WordPress site. You have more control. There's a lot of things you could do with it to try this out. I'm telling you guys that if you sign up through me, okay, you're going to get the old DOS Geek tech support for life. So this is Ray, the old DOS Geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you.